Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to share the recipe of kimchi fried rice with spicy pork topped with mozzarella cheese. The basic ingredients for these dishes are pork, kimchi, steamed rice, and cheese. I used pork belly and I'm gonna cut it into very thin and small pieces. You can get rid of the big fatty parts that you don't want to. And yes, this is about the size that you would like to have. I'm gonna cut up some serrano peppers. These are optional, but since we love spicy food, I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna add some perilla leaves to give some basil and minty flavor. Perilla leaves are often translated from Korean as sesame leaves. You can get it from any Korean store. I love the smell of perilla leaves. The fresh green perilla leaves are popular in Korean cuisine. Their flavor is somewhere between that is basil and mint. And this is the fermented kimchi. And I'm gonna cut it up into small pieces. About this big. I think it looks good like that, and chop up some green onions. The preparation is done. We have prepared the sesame leaves, which is perilla leaves, chopped serrano peppers, kimchi, green onions, samgyeopsal pork belly, and minced garlic. It's ready to cook. Heat up the pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and saute green onions and minced garlic. Add pork into the flavored oil. Season with half tablespoon of sea salt. Half tablespoon of garlic powder. And 1/3 tablespoon of black pepper. Cook it through it all turns into golden brown. And yes, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Thai chili pepper oil paste. It's optional. And stir fry chopped kimchi with cooked meat. And serrano peppers for pretty green color and extra spicy. And finally, add steamed rice into it. You can use any kind of steamed rice, but I used mixed black sweet rice for personal preference. When fried rice is almost done, then put some perilla leaves on top and mix it up together. Make a little space in the middle of the fried rice and put a little bit of the vegetable oil. And I'm gonna put 2 eggs in there. And the final part, the beauty of this beautiful fried rice, mozzarella cheese, we're gonna put it on. You can put it on as much as you want and steam it for 3 minutes in low heat. Look at this beautiful mozzarella cheese. It's all melted into the fried rice. You will love this gooey mozzarella cheese melted into hot and spicy fried rice. You can also try it with the roasted seaweed. Just wrap it up with it. You can enjoy the crispy texture with it. I really wish you can try this delicious recipe of kimchi fried rice. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.